Label stickers has a multiple usage. This is one of the most fast-moving products in printing. For all kinds of business at some point or other labels required. In this video, we will show you how to cut unique sticker labels with Label Maker F35. Make your design and print it with Oki Pro 9542. After printing, stack up the printed sheets on the feeding tray. The Label Maker F35 is an automatic sheet feeding and cutting system designed to automatically load and cut without the need of an operator. It can cut on adhesive sheets, shop material prints, and digital prints on cardboard. You can load up to 200 sheets. This innovative desktop cutter supports a variety of thickness and sheet sizes such as A4, A3, letter, and tabloid. It also has the ability to do perforation cuts, kiss cuts, die cut, and media creasing. After cutting, the output will be dispensed onto the catch tray. You can cut different designs into single label sheet. Create the limited label sheets, small boxes, and tags with Label Maker F35. To know more about full digital label printing and finishing solutions, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.